Okay, we're gonna show you folks how to do the hiatal hernia maneuver self-treatment at home. So this is how you can actually help with acid reflux, GERD at home, okay? Take a look at this. Okay, folks, I'm gonna show you how to do this yourself. Now, a little play on words there because it's difficult to do yourself. This is not an easy maneuver that you can do for yourself because it's hard to get in from the right angle with your own arms. So I recommend, you can try this yourself, but I recommend that you get somebody to help you. So we have our model here and we're gonna show her daughter how to do this. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the motion with my hand, and that way you guys can understand what I'm speaking about. As I do this with my thumb, you probably don't know what I'm doing here. But so when we start, we're gonna start right at the xiphoid process, right where the ribs come together right here, okay? And we're gonna stick our thumb in there. And when I stick my thumb in there, I'm gonna apply pressure as the patient's breathing in and out, and I'm pushing my thumb down. And then as I start to feel it, a block where I can't push my thumb down anymore, or I feel like a pulsation under my thumb, or like a gurgling or a gas sound. That's when I start to do this scooping motion with my thumb. So I'm pushing down into the skin under the ribs, and then when I hear that and feel that, I do this scooping motion with my thumb, and then I slide down. So again, this is the contact. I'm gonna scoop down once I feel it, and then I'm gonna slide the thumb down the stomach to the umbilicus. So the bottom of my thumb is contacting the stomach, and then as I turn this way, the lateral part of my thumb is contacting the stomach as I drag that stomach down out of the diaphragm. So watch how we do it here with her. So we're gonna go ahead and stick the thumb right in the xiphoid process, and you'll see here I'm applying pressure, and I just keep it going in deeper and deeper with each exhalation, a little deeper, and then I just go until I can't go anymore, or I feel that pulsation, or again, the gurgling, the gas, the bubbles sound, or it sounds sometimes like your stomach is growling. And I like to take my other hand and thumb and place it right over this thumb, and now I'm gonna do that scooping motion that I just showed you, and I felt it pull out right there, and I know she did as well. And then we're gonna go ahead and drag the thumb down along the stomach all the way down to the umbilicus, and that dragging motion should be done slowly. And that's it. If you have somebody help you do this, a loved one around the house, this is gonna help with your acid reflux a lot, trust me. And if you have gotten help from this, comment below, let us know. We wanna know that this is helping you, okay? Thanks for tuning in, appreciate you. Thank you guys so much. If you got anything from this video, or even if you just like this view of the Empire State Building and the Chrysler Building, give me a like and don't forget to subscribe. Appreciate you guys.